How do lens focal length and aperture affect astrophotography? Imagine trying to capture the night sky with a camera. The tools you choose can make a big difference in what you see and how clear it looks. Today, we're talking about two key parts of your camera gear that shape your images: lens focal length and aperture. These are like the ingredients in a recipe for great astrophotography. Focal length is the distance between the lens's center and the camera sensor. Think of it as how much the lens zooms in or out. A short focal length, like 14 millimeters, gives you a wide view of the sky. This is perfect for capturing large areas like the Milky Way or star fields. It's great for landscape astrophotography because you can include both the sky and the ground in one shot. On the other hand, a long focal length, such as 200 millimeters, zooms in on tiny details. It's ideal for photographing planets or distant galaxies because it magnifies small objects in the sky. Aperture is about how much light the lens lets in. It's shown as an F number like f2.8 or f4. The lower the number, the bigger the opening. A larger aperture like f2.8 allows more light to reach the camera sensor. This is super important because stars and other celestial objects are faint. More light means you can take shorter exposures or get brighter, clearer images. A smaller aperture like f8 lets in less light. To make up for that, you need longer exposure times, which can cause star trails if your camera isn't perfectly steady. When choosing gear, many astrophotographers go for a wide-angle lens with a large aperture, such as a 14mm lens at f2.8. This setup is perfect for capturing the vastness of the night sky and the Milky Way. For detailed images of planets or deep sky objects, longer focal length lenses or telescopes with fast apertures are used. These setups gather more light and magnify the objects, revealing finer details. Focal length also affects how much sky each pixel captures. Longer focal lengths give you a more detailed view, but they need precise tracking to avoid star trails. Shorter focal lengths produce larger star images, which are easier to keep sharp and are more forgiving if your tracking isn't perfect. In the end, your choice depends on what you want to photograph. For wide views of the sky, pick a short focal length with a big aperture. For close-ups of planets or galaxies, go for longer focal lengths and fast lenses. Knowing how these two factors work helps you plan your shots better and get the best images of the night sky.